Hi guys, it's Booch again. I'm redoing the Blacksmith video because lots of people were saying I was doing it too fucking fast. So yeah. Anyway, same thing. Do by the numbers, and then in any orders, and then after that, the chess piece, which is the bitch part. Let's see. 1, 2. I don't think I'll get it. Let's see. It's been giving me shit poetry lately, so it's really hard. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, it's gonna be a bitch to do. You need 2. Yeah, it's gonna be hard, but anyway. Fuck it. Let's just do this. Because there's no fucking way. This board right here is really shit. It's a shit board. But what I normally do is I try to save the corners, because in the end those are the fucking shit that matters. You have to clear right here, this middle part. You have to get rid of it first, because most of the time, I mean on my end, I always get these fuckers, the queens, the rooks, and the bishops. But I rather have the bishops than the fucking rook. It's a fucking piece. I don't know why they fucking added that fucking shit. Right, so let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, nope. 1, 2, nope. 1, 2. Okay, so we do this. At least we got one combo. Whoop-de-doo. Right, see that one line right there? That's the sign of the combo. Then after, always remember, after the number, do the chess piece combo, which is the in any order, like rook, bishop, queen, and the horse. But if you can't, then I'm fucking sorry. But yeah, it's been a bitch to me too. So you are not alone in that. So let's see, 1, 2. Oh, don't have any. 1, 2. If we get lucky here, which I doubt it. Nope, don't think so. This fucking game hates me. Alright, sorry. Right, so let's just get rid of the piece. I'm trying to make this a bit more faster, because it's gonna be a long fucking video if I just like what do you call fucking Matt. I'm doing a video, Matt. Bloody hell. Sorry, I'm not gonna reply to you. Let's see. Let me see. I really hate this. This puzzle can be a fucking bitch, you know. It takes ages to finish the bloody thing. But, you know, sometimes it's, I don't know, just... Alright, let's see. I'm just gonna try to get rid of these fuckers first, because I need to get these things. See, I just hit the rook. I'm trying to get rid of the rook. They fucking give me another rook. That's fucking cunts. Sorry. Just really hate this focus. I mean, like I said, over here on this side, you have to save, try to save as much as you can, because in the end of the game, um, um, that's where it normally fucks me up. So I'm just saying, you know. Because the reason why I want you guys to save as much as you can on the sides, because normally that's where, like, let's say, like, especially these cunts right here, is, you know, let me see, just a second. Like, they're the ones that give it, see, it always needs, like, to go to the side, so it's a fucking bitch. But if we get lucky, like, if we don't have that much on the board, I don't know if, yeah, let's just do this one combo. Fuck it. That was just a gamble, but see that? They still give me a fucking queen. That is why I always try to get rid of the middle shit first, because this is the fucking bitch. Sorry. But yeah. See, most of the time, whatever's on here, they always give you these fuckers. The one that hits the sides. And that's the one that fucked me up all the fucking time. Alright, let's see. Now, that's gonna be fun, right? Yeah. Oh, my girl. It's my girl right there. Hi, baby. Hang on, baby.
Hi.
I'm making a video.
Right now?
Yep.
Perfect timing.
I know, right? Anyway, let's see. I have, see this part right here, that's a fucked up move that I made right there, because you have to keep these sides right here. That's the most important part. Well, because I have lots of pieces earlier over here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, do we have it? Yeah, we do. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we still have that. Now I'm gonna say this piece right here for this bitch right here, or this one right here, because later if I ever get to hit that piece, then you know. Anyway, this is the most important part of the puzzle, because you have to try to clear the whole fucking thing if you can. That's how you get your Incred. Let's see. 1, 2, 1, 2. You have to think ahead, like what's next, like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Shit. See, if you hit this, it's game over. I should have got rid of the piece over here first. That was my mistake. But if you click that, you're fucked in the ass. Like, big time. Like, dry. Right, so I'm gonna do this. Try to get rid of this cut here. Oh well, we will get this now, since I have these two right here, so which is a good thing to cover up. This one, I hate this fucking piece. Now the horse, and we're gonna use this. Alright, let's see, this one right here is gonna be a fucking fun fucking part. I really hate these two. 1, 2, 3, okay. But if I do that then, what's gonna happen? I don't know. Shit. Yeah, we're gonna we're fucked. Because the pieces I needed earlier, I didn't get the pieces that I need, so it's gonna left us 3. It still make you guys give you guys expert labor. So there you go. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.